What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about a mental diet. If you are new here, welcome. I am Samantha. I'm a holistic practitioner where I specialize in Reiki, emotion code, body code, and I'm also a mindset coach. The purpose of this channel is to help you learn tools and techniques for you to step into your power and level up your life. Mental diet. What is it? It is very important in the healing journey. You're basically paying attention to what goes in here. If you think of it as any other diet that you've ever had, you're just restricting some things that you eat. You're watching what you eat. It is the same thing with your thoughts. You are restricting the power that the subconscious mind has on you, and you are in control. So what does this look like? We have, let me rewind a little bit. We have about a bazillion thoughts a day. I think it's between 60,000 to 70,000 thoughts a day. And you are going to be paying attention to all of them, at least as many as you can. You have to be aware of your thoughts. And a lot of people are just running on autopilot, letting your good old subconscious take control, and you're not paying attention to what your subconscious mind is telling you about the world, and telling you how to feel and how to act. It's just constantly running. Just go, 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 go. Once you start becoming aware of your thoughts, you start to learn what limiting beliefs you have and how mean you are to yourself. And that's okay. We're going to be changing it. So you got to be aware of your thoughts. Whenever a thought comes up in your conscious mind, you get to decide if we are going to keep it, put it in the keep pile. Does this spark joy? Was it Maria Kondo? Hers? We're going through our thoughts and deciding if we want to keep it or not, okay? So does this thought, does it spark joy? I'm not good enough, I'm stupid. That does not spark joy. So that goes into the burn it pile or the donation pile. Actually, let's not donate it. I don't want to donate it because then I'm going to be giving it to someone and they don't deserve it. So we're going to put it in the does not serve us pile. We're going to do something with it. We're going to get rid of it, and we're going to let the world, the universe take care of it. They're going to do what they want with it. So yeah, we're going to be donating it to the universe, and they can change it. They can do whatever they want. So keep going through your thoughts. Does it spark joy or does it make you feel like shit? And that's all you're going to be doing. Looking at the thought, I am good enough. Oh, well, definitely sparks joy. We're going to put that there. I am not worthy enough to ask for a promotion. So that does not spark joy. That goes into the burner. Okay, what else do we have? Xbox is better than PlayStation. Ooh. We're gonna go ahead and put that in the sparks joy column, huh? You're just gonna be paying attention to your thoughts and saying what makes you happy, what makes you feel like shit, and you're gonna replace them. So we're gonna get rid of that thought, but just because we got rid of that thought, I'm gonna go against Maria Kondo's trying to clean out your house, and we're just gonna be replacing stuff, okay? So it's a level up healing twist. So we're going to get rid of the things that no longer serve us, that do not spark joy. So we're going to put them away, put them in the trash, give them to the universe. That's not for us. And we're going to design our own. We're going to purchase something new. So if we had something that said that we're not good enough, we're going to be like, okay, we're going to take that, we're going to put that there. And then we're going to put, I am good enough. All right. That's good. All right, bring it to the subconscious. The subconscious can take that. I'm unworthy of being happy. Ooh, no, no, we're taking that away. We are putting that in the burn file, and I am worthy of everything I desire. Yep, like that. Print it, set it. All right, perfect. Subconscious, go ahead and take that. That is all you are doing, and the sun just came out of nowhere. Whew. The sun in my eyeballs does not spark joy for me. So you are just paying attention to your thoughts, and you have to replace them with something new. That's the only way you can get rid of the thought. It's better to replace it, because then your subconscious mind is like, all right, well, you took something away from me. Now what do I do? You're like, oh, here's something new, updated version of me. Use this. I'm good enough. I'm deserving. Now, sometimes when you're paying attention to your thoughts, it might be a little uncomfortable, especially if you're not used to being positive. You're not used to really saying that you are worthy and you are good enough. And that's okay. You're just not used to it. Keep on going. Keep on cleaning out that mind, because over time, the more you flip it and the more times you say it, your subconscious mind is going to start believing it to be true, and it's going to be part of your baseline, and it's going to be the new you. It just takes some time. Think of all the things that you've starting to work out, learning an instrument, playing video games for the first time. Well, we'll use the video games. When you start a new video game, you have to learn how to play the game. They're not like, all right, here you go. Here's your first boss fight. Have fun. Enjoy. No, there's a tutorial. You learn. Sometimes it's awkward if they change the controls. And over time, you get the hang of it. You learn the new skills, and then you become unstoppable. The controls are now muscle memory, and that's what you're used to. And then you can literally, you don't even pay attention. You're more focused on what's going on in the story and in the game than what the controls are. The mental diet also helps you uncover limiting beliefs. What are you constantly saying to yourself? What are you constantly taking away and burning and replacing with something else? That will give you an insight what's going on, and you can even dissect that. You can journal on it. Be like, okay, why do I keep saying I'm undeserving of things? Did something happen in my past that I don't remember? Journal about it. Or what you can do is just write on the top of the page, I'm not good enough, and write things to prove that that's true. Why aren't you good enough? Write the stories, write situations, write other beliefs, and then it will give you an insight of all the stories, all the limiting beliefs that is tied to the I'm not deserving or I'm not good enough. Your subconscious mind is using these stories and these other limiting beliefs to prove that is true. So you got to dissect the stories, change the stories. You are in control on how you perceive things. Change the story. If you can't change the story, like if it was really bad and you have a hard time letting go of it or changing the story, I know there's a lot of things that we are holding on to. Write an FU letter. Don't send it to them, but write everything down. How that situation made you feel, how the person made you feel. Write everything you wish you can say to them, and then burn it and destroy it. And then you're done. And that will help you with the healing process. But if that doesn't help, go seek help, go to therapy, do everything you need to do to heal from that. You can't really, put a paper towel over something or put a blanket over something that has a stain, or flip a cushion over if you got a stain on the couch. It's always going to be there. So take the steps to heal yourself in whatever way will help you the most. So let's wrap up. Let's recap. Mental diet is just you are paying attention to your thoughts. You are aware of your thoughts, and you are deciding what thoughts to keep, which one sparks joy, which one does not spark joy, and which one needs to get out of here. And then you're going to be replacing it with the new one that you created. You have to do this all day, every day. It does get easier over time. You'll catch them. And then over time, when you do this, your subconscious mind is going to be accepting the new one. So then you won't have so many unwanted thoughts. If you would like to work with me and uncover your limiting beliefs, I do offer one-on-one coaching. And if you want some energy healing, I also offer that as well. Everything's going to be in the description below, or you can go to leveluphealing.net or email me at samantha@leveluphealing.net. Really try this technique. It will open your eyes to all the limiting beliefs that you are holding on to and all the old stories, and you can easily flip them. Just be patient, because this will take time. You're reprogramming your subconscious mind, and sometimes your subconscious mind doesn't like it. So it's like a little battle, but just keep on moving forward, because it will get easier over time. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!